Hello, this is Amit Kumar. Today I will teach you regarding basics of Python. What is Python and where we use Python, why Python is so much popular in current scenario. Okay? Okay. Okay, now start. Python is general purpose programming language. Python is general purpose high level programming language. Python is general purpose high level. Python general purpose high. Python is general purpose. Yes. Python is general purpose high level programming language. It means, what do we mean by high level programming language? In previous days, languages was assembly language, machine language that are directly interact with the machines. But the high level programming language are those languages which are understandable by the human being. Means end user programmer can also understand the language. So Python is called general purpose high level programming language. Okay. Second point, Python is developed by. Okay, today we will teach you how to print some text, some variables, some element in the Python. How? This thing is the main thing for today. I will teach you. Second point, Python is developed by Guido van Rossum in 1989 in National Research Institute, Netherlands. Guido van Rossum was working in National Research of Institute in Netherlands in 1989. While working in National Research Institute, he developed the language called Python, and this institute is situated in Netherlands. But he developed in 1989, but officially comes into the market, comes into the picture in February 1991. Okay, so guys, listen, that Python was developed in 1989 but comes into the picture, but comes into the existence in market, but comes into the software industry in February 20th 1991. Next point, Python is, this is very important point of Python. This is very strong feature of Python, that Python is dynamically typed programming language. What do you mean by dynamically typed? Means in C, in C++, in Java, whenever you have to declare a variable, then you have to mention the data type name, int, char, float, double, any data type name. Which type of data type you want to take, you have to take it. But in Python, either you take the variable of any type, integer, float, double, char, boolean. You have not to mention the data type. You have not to mention the data type. You have to only mention the variable name, variable value, not variable name, variable value, variable name and variable value. You have to mention the variable name and variable value, then it will be automatically take. Okay, this is called dynamically typed programming language. I am showing you this thing in ideally, then you will get 100% proof. I am what writing? A equal to 10. What is this? a equal to 10. Now I write, I have not given variable name, variable name, data type. Variable name I have given, I have not given data type. Now I will type, there is a function called type. There is a function called type. You will write print type of a. What we will get? This is class integer type. Understand na? If we will write b equal to 10.7, then we will want to check which type of variable. This one print type of b. What command? This is of float type, and there is a variable. If I give a set, a structure, date, if I take any data type, we have not mentioned the data type here. We have not to mention the data type. Okay, this is the big feature of Python. This is a strong feature of Python. So we are telling that this is a dynamically typed language. This is not a, this is interpreted based language. Before C, C++, Java, those are compiled based, static based, but it is dynamically typed, interpreted typed language, because we have not to mention the variable type. You understand? This is a big feature of Python. This is a very big feature of Python, that you have not to mention the variable data type. Now comes to the Python is functional programming language. Means here we can use function also. Okay, we will use def keyword for using function. Okay, we will use def keyword for using function here. Understand? Now Python is object oriented language. Here we can create classes, object, instance variable, local variable, everything we can do. Python inherit functional programming techniques from the C language, and Python takes object oriented techniques from C++, and Python is a scripting language. It takes the scripting features. It takes the scripting features from Perl and Shell. This type of a scripting language takes feature Python. Python takes feature of a scripting language from Perl and Shell. Now Python is modular programming language. What do you mean by modular programming language? What do you understand by modular programming language? Modular means, what do you understand modular? If there is a big program, then how we will do? We will break into the small module. We will break into the small module, and that will be work. Okay, then Python is a modular programming language. Python has less lines of code. Now I will show you how it is less lines of code. Okay, now you comes to the ideally. If I will write, first to see how we can print anything. Print I going to print great CIMAGE. What you will get output? Great CIMAGE. If we are using, if we want to execute this thing, great CIMAGE, then how much line we have to write in Java? There we have to write many more line, then it will be executed. We have to create class, public static void main, system.out.println, and many more things. Then you will get a single lines of print. But in Python, how much time it will take to print great image? How much line it has been taken? Only one line. How much function it has taken? Only one function, print. So you think a layman who does not know any language previous, C, C++, Java and any more language, he can learn Python easily, in very easy manner. Example, you can a equal a comma b comma c comma d comma e comma equal to 10 comma 20 comma 67 comma 76 comma 89 comma. Okay, now I want to print a. Now I want to print a, then what we will get? A. This is big feature of Python also, means how many variables we have declared simultaneously? 5 variables. You can see what is the value of b, you can see what is the value of c, means we can declare how many variables declare in a single line? 5 variables. And we can assign declare also and assign value also in sequential manner. This is the big feature of Python also, you can understand. Okay, this is big feature of Python. And I am telling you, there is a operator single loan underscore. That is, if I mention here single loan, you will see. Oh, okay. Okay, summary is coming. Now I am showing what are the main commands when entering into the first command is copyright. Through copyright you can check that what Python software is installed into your system, that is right or not. Copyright, the name of the command is copyright. This is a function, you can say. Second, you have to check credits. Second, you have to check credits. Okay, now you will check license. Now you will check license. Then you will learn what is the history of the software and everything, from what is the license version, what is not license version. And you know that Python is a open source. If you want to work on the Java and any other languages, then you have to purchase, you have to pay the money for this. But Python is open source. You have not to pay the single money, you have not to pay a single penny for this. Okay, you have understand? If you want to check that where is our Python installed in our system, where is our Python installed in our system, then you have to import OS. You have to write import OS and os dot get cwd. Get cwd command you will use and you will get os dot get cwd. Then you will find that where is your Python installed, in which drive your Python is installed. Okay, if there is how many keyword in Python, if you want to know, if you miss out from your brain, then you have to import kw list, import kw list. import keyword, okay, import keyword print keyword dot kw list. This is a method through which you can find out how many keyword exist in the Python. If you see that how many keyword you can count, I think 31 or 33, you can check it easily. Okay, in next lecture, in next video, I will show you many more things regarding Python. Okay, take care, bye.